0.5 multiplied by 11 equals 5.5. 0.5 multiplied by 12 equals 6. 0.5 multiplied by 13 equals 6.5. 0.5 multiplied by 14 equals 7. 0.5 multiplied by 15 equals 7.5. 0.5 multiplied by 16 equals 8. 0.5 multiplied by 17 equals 8.5. 0.5 multiplied by 18 equals 9. 0.5 multiplied by 19 equals 9.5. 0.5 multiplied by 20 equals 10.